What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. We shake, rattling, rolling again today. Y'all see all the car move, man. They over here getting it in again. All of that. Making it happen. Been cooking. That's where it's at. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, indeed. Ooh, boy, we about to be lit, boy. Y'all see that? Then I'm show y'all a little what been going on, man. We got the hill. I got to pressure wash. I'm gonna have to pressure wash the driveway some more, man. That junk was. Y'all see right there? I can't even tell where the driveway is, man. That joke was thick too, boy. I'm gonna have to pressure wash that car. Parking the car right there. I'll sleep right now. So we got to do that. I can't even see right there, but I pressure washed did, man. My father-in-law, man, that junk here was all muddy. It just happened cause it poured down while they were doing that. Y'all see we leveled the front yard and stuff out too. So while they were doing that, man, the bottom fell out. And I was like, God. Yeah, man, I got shout out the wife, man. If you follow me on Facebook, you probably already let me bring y'all. Probably already saw where I made a post, man. So it was couple days back, actually, they were working, cause they've been over here working about 2-3 days, and man, it started raining. It started raining in the evening, man. It didn't supposed to rain, so it was mud everywhere, man. Cause you know we y'all remember I was telling you about the driveway. The driveway had a deep drop off down there, man. It's 4-inch thick driveway. Had a big drop off, so I was like, man, that junk. You know the Camaro got stuck down there a long time ago, man. It was sitting it so low, tire went off and boom. So they moved dirt down there, raised it up and stuff. We planted some grass seeds, and hay and all that. So man, you know, you got that and all that. So they had all the mud and stuff. So this junk here was covered. So I was like, man, we can't move around. So I got to move some of this, cause that junk was thick. Now right there, I ain't worried about that. But we were moving the cars around. It was raining. Wife was helping and stuff, so I said, man, I got to. I was using the water hose, but I was like, man, I ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna go get my pressure wash. Had to hook all that up the whole time. It raining. It raining the whole time, so I'm out there. It keeps raining. Sunlight. I'm out here pressure washing, man, knocking the mud out, and then I turn around. Wife was standing right there with me. She's standing out there in the rain, man. I said that touched me. When she do that little stuff, she do the smallest stuff, man. I love that woman to death, man. That's my best friend. And she stand out there. She stand out there out here in the rain with me. Just standing with me, man. Just talking and stuff. It raining though. I've been out here 40 minutes trying to get that, knock most of it up so we can move the car and they not sliding and stuff. And man, I asked her, got in the house, said, which I knew the answer, man. I said, why you stand out there in the rain with me? You ain't have to, you know, it got cool and stuff too. She said, I just wanted to keep you company. I said, man, boy. I said, wife a real one, man. She always been a real one. And that's why I'm a real one to her, too. A real one. I won't find, I'll never find somebody like her. She'll never find somebody like me, man. It's just soul ties, for real. So, yeah. What I'm about to do, though, as y'all know, I told you in the other vlog, Dolo was at Herb. He been working away at it, and like I said, he narrowed it down to need a window switch, which he put the new motor in, but it need a window switch. And I told y'all in the other vlog I had ordered one anyway, but it was supposed to have came that day, but it didn't. it didn't come. So I'm about to go pick that up. I'm about to hop in R&B, drive it, go pick that up, and run it down the herd so he can put it back together, and then I can bring Dolo back home. So that's what I'm about to do, man. We're about to head to the parts store, go grab that, run it down the herd. He'll pop it back in, then he'll be telling me, hey, I'm ready for the next one. I told y'all what coming next. My father-in-law S10, which I'm gonna have to load it up on the trailer. So that's the plan. That's the plan, man. So we about to go do that. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all. So I just got back from the parts store in old R&B, and just left Herb how, man. Oh God, ooh! I just told my knee up. Boy. What they told me I'll meet. Boy, I told my knee up then, boy. God. But yeah, I just left parts store in old pretty R&B. Then took it back, cause the headlight, man, the headlight had stopped again. Everything else working, just the headlight. The port light, side marker light, everything working except the what's the name? The headlight. But Herb said I know what it is. So he went ahead and boop boop boop, and then we back. Tighten it on up, and we back. So he got all these light working. And we fooling with Dolo, and he got Dolo tail light working. That man got the tail light working, man. That man fine. He got tail light working. I have not had tail lights in years. So I get over there once again. By the time I make it back, that man called me talking about they ready. I said, boy, you rough. You rough, man. So me and Kenneth gonna run over there and pick Dolo back up, and we're gonna take the truck. We're gonna take my father-in-law truck tomorrow, man. So that's what's going on, y'all. So we finna go grab Dolo and check back in. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. It's the next day. Got a little too busy, got carried away, but as y'all can see, got everything moved and stuff, man. My big bro, old school Kings, done pulled up on me. In the building. Yeah, man, we coolin' today. This and that, he with me all day. So we finna hop in the dump, cause we gotta take them brakes back to AutoZone, and I got to grab some stuff, switches. Y'all see old Dolo down there? I gotta show y'all. Herb got that joker right, man. We picked up Dolo. Herb fixed the window, which the passenger window on that car has never been down. So he fixed the window. We put a new switch in it over here, and he got it wired up right, so I don't have to do my janky getting down, twisting that up, run to the fuse box. Now I can just reach over there and just boom. But I got to put my door back together, like put the trim and all that stuff back. But I'm going to go ahead and have Scott order me a new master window switch for Dolo and change that out. Because sometimes you got to hold a certain way for that button to catch, but Herb got it working. So, man, that's what we're about to do. I'm about to take something back and then to give them the money back, basically. I'm finna give them the money back. So, yeah, that's what we about to do, man. Y'all stay tuned. We probably got some more stuff shaking. We supposed to take my father-in-law truck to Herb today too. But I'm gonna call him, man, in a minute. So we finna ride, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So we got everything put back for one. And I picked up Dolo, and Herb has done it again. So look, let me show y'all, man. I gotta show y'all. I said, man, I ain't even show y'all. So now y'all know this joker here ain't had headlights in forever, over a year. Not headlight, my bad. I'm thinking about R&B. This joker ain't had no tail lights in over a year. Really longer than that. Really a year and some change. It might be 2 years. So, and I mean, sometimes I drive it at night, but you know, you taking that risk, man. I said, got brake light. At first we didn't have no brake light. I figured that myself. I figured that out. But remember, I went a long time, didn't have no brake light. And all we had was running lights. So, look, for one, hold on, let me see. Hold on. So check me out. Got lights on. Look at that. Ooh, boy, hey, heard the truth, man. Heard the truth, man. So we got tail light. He fixed it. I ain't never, boy, these things ain't been on in well over a year. Well, the bulb out right there. I gotta put the bulb. So we got tail lights. And y'all know the headlight. My headlight work. Y'all see them jokers. Them jokers here blasting through there. All that work. He fixed it. So look, I'm excited about that. But they right here get it. Hold on, y'all. Get in. Let me get in. We got the tail light. But hold on, let me crank this nag up. So look, let me crank this nag up. Bring y'all look. So look, y'all see? Now, I don't know where my wire is. I don't know. But what I was having to do before I do that, alright, he fixed my switch. That orange, it's an orange wire going here. And the orange wire is the main power to this. And it supplied power to this and all the other switches. So they had split this. So you had the wire coming out through the door and stuff. And then you had the wire coming out switch. So I was hooking my blue wire to the switch, twisting it. And then I sit down and I touch that joke in the fuse bar and let my window down. So if I got caught in some rain, hey, it was over with. Cause I had no power. So first he fixed that. And now, but then once I got that, I never could get that one down, man. That one never went down. So check out what Herb did. One, I gotta get used to it. Look at that. So we got action right here. Alright, I ain't got to hook no wire no more. Oh, let's see. Look at that. Woo, woo, woo. That don't hurt, boy. Hurt right. You got that one. And then, look, I'm over here. Hold on. Hold on, we over here with it. Look at that. Hey. Hey, man. That don't hurt fire, man. I had to show y'all, man. That man there ain't nothing to play with, boy. Herb is fire. That man, the truth, man. I'm telling people, man. Look, just call. Let me tell people something, man. People, when a person don't have a shop, people will call them a shade tree mechanic. And people think they're bad. That ain't bad, man. Let me cover this up. I gotta tell y'all stuff, man. Jay only fool with good people. I keep telling y'all, man. Jay only fool with good people. If I don't put people on game on look and show you the real in the real world with stuff, man, I don't know who do. Let me set y'all up. Hold on. I'm trying to buckle my thing up. Look. Man, I show y'all. My cars go in shops. Big boy shop. I done been in high level shops. I done been in grudge shops. I done been in small backyard shops. Everything. And I showed y'all everybody delivers great work. So I got people come to the house and the stuff always right. Let me tell you, cause people get caught up in this shop. But who's in a shop? Right? You can go in the nicest, prettiest, fanciest shop. Who's in a shop? People. Right? People are in a shop. Regular people like you and me. Get what them people do. They go home at night. They got their toolboxes in the shop. All them special tools, you can buy them. You got a business license, you can buy them and have them at home. Herb used to own a shop. They got tired. Some people get smarter, man. They don't want to deal with the overhead, this and that. So Herb is a mobile mechanic. He great at what he do. He know how to build transmission too. But that man fine, man. Herb has touched all the cars pretty much this week. And like I said, I'm just trying to look out for my boy, man. Some stuff I do myself, and some stuff I was gonna do myself. But I like for everybody around me to eat, man, some kind of way. That's really why I do this stuff. I like for everybody to eat. But he fixed that. Y'all know we had the mystery with R&B. He fixed them lights. He done fixed Grandma Nana. All this in 1 week now. He fixed Grandma Nana flywheel. Got it back right. He changed Dolo oil, front brakes, even though I ain't need them. Like I said, I just like to spend money on my boy. And he fixed the tail lights and the window, the electrical. He fixed the electrical and R&B and put the new air shocks on. Fixed the rear end leak on Meach. I had changed the oil and did some more maintenance myself. Man, he been rolling. He did the brakes and oil on wifey Escalade. And man, we been shake, rattle, and rolling, man. So, hey, I had to show y'all that, man. I'm so happy. I got them tail lights going on Dolo and all that good stuff, man. And hey, we finna roll with it. So look, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, man. It's a lot shaking, a lot going on and everything. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.